Hi guys, I hope you're doing alright. In this video I'm going to introduce you to my case study about AI generated content. This is a little bit different to my other videos because I'm not focusing on the pure development part but more on the SEO part. So in my case study I generated a CLI tool to publish blog posts on a WordPress site. I wanted to see how it gets indexed in Google and the general results, if it gets blacklisted or what happens if I only use pure AI content. During this time I developed the tool a little bit further, so I also tested a lot, and it's not really consistent. Like the blog posts sometimes have a picture and sometimes they do not have a picture, because this was a feature I developed in the timeline of the whole case study. Another development feature was, for example, the database I added, so I have like cost tracking and everything else. Also the markup schema to like mark up the FAQ section and more than that. So in my first report after 1 month, I had like 150 keywords indexed, which was already really good. Here's some screenshot out of my search console. Something what I really liked is that it was super easy to publish the posts, and additionally super cheap. If you compare it to a texter, you could save up to, let's say €50 per blog post. This, for example, is a pricing of content.de, which is a platform for hiring a texter. My word count was also pretty well. I had between 500 and 2,500 words in each blog post, and as you can see, the 2,500 words cost me around 20 cents, and I didn't even use the cheap version like the fast GPT 3.5 OpenAI model. The second report was like similar, but I already had 150 keywords in the index after only 4 weeks. As you can see, Google didn't really like what I was doing, but still indexed the page. So let's switch over to the search console and see how it looks right now. As you can see, it has 242 keywords in the index. Here, if we sort it to the impressions, you can see Suchmaschinenoptimierung Ulm is one of the keywords with the most impressions. It was always around rank 50. And let's say we would take this now and optimize. This would be a huge saving of time, because I didn't optimize any page speed or any backlinks. I just generated the content out of my CLI and it got straight indexed, and now you have a solid base to work on. So let's say I'm building niche blogs, for example. You could just use the tool, get 150 pages indexed, and then from this point on start optimizing. To show you the page itself, it's ai-blogger.de. It's everything in German. And this is, for example, one text. Then I have different texts also. As I said, some are with pictures, some are without pictures. It's due to the development process, and this is about Colombia. You can see here the FAQ schema. So to conclude everything, I would say that the development part for me itself was really nice because I'm a developer and I like to open source my stuff. So I also linked the tool I used in the description. I developed the different features while the blog was live, and in general, I would say it is perfect to use it as your advantage. Like in general, AI is perfect for you, but you only have to use it. I wouldn't use it fully automated. I added the or should you because right now I'm participating in a SEO contest, and I also developed another tool which is called WordGenie. You can find it at app.wordgenie.de. I also put a link in the description. You can use it for free with your own API keys. It is prompt optimized, so it will generate better content than my CLI tool. I haven't done a case study with that, but I will see how I perform in the SEO contest, and afterwards I will give you feedback about that. Yeah, so far so good. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. I would be very happy if you leave a like and a follow. Thank you.